Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nihad Systems. So today's video is about the PowerPoint basic tutorial video. So I think this video will help you guys about the little basics about PowerPoint, and it's so very simple as you guys think. So let's move to the video without wasting the time. Let's move to the computer screen, and this is the computer screen as you guys can see. And here I'm just need to get to the PowerPoint. We just click on the PowerPoint, and now we just take a blank page if you want. So I'm taking blank page. You can already take the slide edited already edited template as well, or yeah, another template as well. So here, if you are a writer or a story maker, you can just control this title and move it to the up front at the top, and you just crop it, and you can see you can type anything in that title, your story name or other etc items, and the subtitle you need to type the story for. So this is what the subtitle and title things. If you click on that, if you click on the title or subtitle option, this is the thing that you, if you are a story writer or other things, you just need to click this option that is already default in your computer. So I don't need this. I just need a little slide with some letters, so I don't need this. So I'm just removing it by clicking on the options there shown below, and after that I'm just going to the insert button over there, and you can see the text, add text, like yeah, like that option there, and just place your text where you want, as much as lengthy as possible. So just type the thing that the main title that you like. So I'm typing hello guys, welcome back. So you can type anything you want. I'm just zooming it in, and you can customize it as well. I'm just putting it on the center part, and I'm just increasing the increasing by just clicking over there, you know, and just customize the selection tool and just crop it. It's just in the template, and this is the white screen with this thing, so it little is boring, and the handwriting, this font is boring. So you guys can click on the font you want. There are types of font that are made for each language. Especially English has the most fonts here. I'm just clicking the one of the coolest one, and I found this. So this is so big, so I decreased the the font size. Yeah, its name is size. I just decreased the font size. Now it looks better. Hey guys, welcome back. Like that. So this is not that cool. So if you make slides, you just need some animations. So go to the animation bar and click the best animation you could find, and there are so many other things like fade in, pop up like that. Animations are available here. So click the animation you like, and I just click the fade up animation. And the white screen is so boring, so we have so much templates or customizing template also available. So I'm just clicking some one random ones over here. I'm just clicking this. It looks like a technological cool. And this white color fonts are just boring, so just customize it with matching with your template, so that would be much cooler. So I'm just clicking here where one of the, like, I'm just clicking a nice blue color. I don't know which blue variant is this, but there's a little small problem is that K's background is so dark. So you can just go and click the lighter version of that blue color, and you don't feel that much difference. So like that you can see a little bit difference, but it's okay. Or you can fully customize that with that color fully on the screen. And the other thing is, you guys can customize this H and the single letters as well. I know you all guys know that. And there are more color options that you don't like. If you don't like the default colors over here, you can customize from the coloring options by adding some black to the blue, so it make blue black colors like that. And if you click new slide, you can edit the other slide, the same slide, with this same template. You can also edit this template as well. And I'm just let me add a little bit geographical things like statistic bar. So I just pop it up on the window, and it doesn't look like cool, so I will remove it. Anyway, you guys know the basic informations here. I'm just removing it. It's not just cool in this. I'm just opened to show you guys that. So I'm just remove this by clicking Ctrl plus Z. Anyway, there are some options here, that is bold, italic, and underline options are here. And if you just click that that text, you will find a new bar at the top that called format. If you click that, there are so many things to customize that your bar, like the letters, the highlighting part of highlighter. There's an option called highlighter, and you can edit it. And there's an option that are for drawing shapes to show gestures, and etc. are available here. So here you can see that I'm just customizing it away, so it doesn't look like cool when touching on the white part over there. So I'm just decreasing the part. I'm just cropping the part that is not useful. So you guys can do like that as well. Yeah, that's, you can also do like that. So that's the things are in this video. So I hope you like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.